I'm getting a lot better results. I changed the blade, increased the cut depth and the swivel, and gosh darn it, I think I got it. I've been doing some test cuts, and these are them. Increase the cut depth, set the pass to 2. Most importantly, change the motherfucking blade. Excuse my language. But yeah, that old blade has been in there for a while. And this is currently the quality of cut in which I'm getting. Way better. I could sell this. A little cleanup. The other one was no bueno. That Bart Simpson, I had to clean up too much. So what I'm gonna do is try to cut another large piece. And yeah, these have been coming out great so far. I've downloaded a bunch of SVG files that were just shapes. This was a old piece of foam board, and I got a print job for that failed. So gradually I increased the cut depth, the offset I adjusted, and the tolerance. There's another setting that I adjusted, and they're coming out much better. Look at that. That's so clean. So clean. Your bed definitely has to be level to get this to work properly. So I'm gonna turn you guys back on in a second when we do a big test cut. So I think I got it. I've been doing some test cuts. Oh, this is part 2, so you guys already know. Got the registration down. Yeah. You cutting with a butter now, baby. Way better cut quality. I changed some things in vcarve. Way better. Change the blade. It's doing it in 2 passes. It's cutting down to 5 mil. The new blade really helps. That old blade was like 3 years old. It's clean cuts. Way cleaner than yesterday. So it's gonna run it 2 times. Best results is to do 2 pass, not 1 pass. So I'm gonna pause you for a second and turn you back on when it's time to pop Mickey out. Same cut, same Mickey, but this is the second pass. It's going down a little bit deeper now. And that's as rough as I'm seeing it. It looks way better. Good news. Good news. It's coming up easy. It's coming up easy. Not bad. And I didn't have to touch it with the knife yet. Let's see. This is straight off. I mean, it is definitely way better than yesterday. Couldn't even get this thing out yesterday. A little cleanup. If I have to spend more than 5 minutes, 3 minutes on it, 2 minutes, yeah, if I have to spend more than 1 minute, it's something I can't sell. Because I'm not trying to, little sandpaper, rub down, but it's looking decent. It is more laborious than just printing a foam poster board paper, but not bad there, Mickey. What you guys think? Here's the close-up of all the bad parts that I don't like that. But like I said, I have not cleaned it up really. This is just a second experiment that I did. I think on this next one I may fine-tune maybe the angle, the opacity. Yeah, I'm gonna do some more experimenting, see if I could clean this up. But it's beautiful that they just come off. A little X-Acto knife to get the fray off. Hire a little intern and I'll be golden, boy. Tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna do another one real quick. You guys know who that guy is, cause I don't got no kids, but somebody told me his name was Cocomelon, or one of them people from Cocomelon. Registration mark, registered, be on point. Let's get cocoing. Let's move Mickey before he gets decapitated. Gotta get a vacuum. Hold down for this bed. This reminded me of Bart Simpson's hair. So far, so good. It's way better. I got a phone call, so I'm gonna call you back in a second. Mr. West! So I think I got it, baby. These simple shapes, no problem. But these more intricate shapes take a little cleanup, but I think I fine-tuned it to get it done. I think I can sell this. This is sellable. You're a little blindly junk and you at a party, you ain't gonna really be all up on homie. Then I got that Mickey right here. So, yeah. Went from Bart's hand to Mickey. This is all machine. I ain't have to do no cleanup. Tell me what you guys think. Got Kanye getting cut out. He's gonna be dope. And I'm excited. Turn you back on when Kanye finishes up. It's really all up to your SVG files. If it's all wavy and stuff, it's gonna take forever. If it's a smooth curve, it's not gonna take that long. Yo, this is motherfucking dope. I love it. I think this is the start of a new venture. I can see people who are getting graduation, getting married. You could cut this out. It's like 2 feet by 2 feet, big ass head. Came out clean. So the drag knife works. Hit us up if you need anything cut out. 646-519-1435, bronxprints.com. It just makes me smile.